All right. A very good morning, children. So, welcome to me and Matt. And okay, I don't see any messages from my children today. Where are you all? Come on, let's say good morning so that I know you are all in the session. Waiting for you all. So, welcome to me and Matt. And today, once again, we are going to have a fun-filled quiz based on the topic of fractions. Okay, so are we there? Children, I need a thumbs up. Come on. How many of you all are there? Let's see. I just hope there should be, I'm just hoping there should be a house full. Yes, I should at least see a lot of children joining in. Come on, I'm waiting. I'll just wait for a couple of minutes and then we shall begin. Okay? All right, yes. Okay. So we have Momita, Shashi, Ayat, Sweetie Kumari. Okay. Okay, no, sorry. Her name is Arya Nandini. All right, good morning. Yes, Sudarshan Kumar, Arohi, Lavanya. All right, okay. Wonderful, wonderful. Welcome all of you to today's session. And since I already have a few children out here, let's proceed. And yes, so as I told you all, today's topic is fractions. Okay, we are going to have a quiz on fractions, and let's see how many of you all get the maximum answers right. So, are you all ready to test your knowledge about fractions? Come on. Yes? Ready? Let's go. So, here comes my first question, all right, which reads like this. Neha has rupees 600. She spent rupees 200 to buy groceries. What fraction of the money did she spend? Come on, it's very easy. Quickly, let's calculate and find out the answer. What's the right answer? I'll be giving you all only 2 minutes, okay? And I want to see all the answers quickly typed in the chat. Yes, Abhishek, the class has already started and the first question is already on display. So quickly find the answer and type it in the chat. So whether it's A, 1 by 2, B, 1/4, C, 1/3, or D, 2/3. So what fraction of money did she spend? She had 600 rupees. Out of that, she spent 200 rupees. So what is the fraction of money that she spent? Come on. Okay, I've already got an answer D in the chat. All right, we'll see. D. Okay, Modipta. Okay. Sweetie also D. Shashi also says D. Come on, it's very easy. 200 out of 600. How much does it come to? So Modipta, she had total 600 rupees, out of which she spent 200 rupees. Okay, so you have to calculate the fraction of money that she spent. So 200 out of 600, right? So calculate. Oh my God, all of you are sending answers as D. Okay, we are going to see in a couple of seconds. Yes. Okay, let's check whether the answer is D or not. Okay. Oops. You all were very close, but you need to try again. Okay. You all were very close. But the answer is not D. Come on, one last chance. 1 minute more. If the answer is not D, we have to find out the correct answer. Okay, so let me show you all what's the right answer. Okay, Arya Nandini, fine. Got it, got it. since it was written over there, Sweetie Kumari, so I was calling out that. Okay. Okay, we've got one answer as C. So let's check whether C is the correct answer or not. So C, 1/3. It is absolutely right. Yes, C is the correct answer. Right. Yes. So how did we get C? So they have said that she had 600 rupees, out of which she spent 200 rupees. Right. So we have to calculate 200 out of 600, which when we divide, we get this as 1/3. Okay, so correct answer is C. Yay, whoever said C, congratulations. Yes, though it took you a while to understand, but not a problem. Still, you all got the correct answer. Okay, so here comes my next question. Question number 2. What is, you have to look at the shaded portion, the first fraction and plus the second fraction. So when you add these two fractions, what is the answer? Okay, all right, so the second question, what is the fraction of this first circle plus the fraction of the second circle? So what would be the correct answer over here? Okay, I've already got an answer from Anu Kumari. She says D. Okay, all right, we'll wait for a couple of more answers and then we'll see whether, yes, okay, Lavanya, all right, okay. We'll see whether the answer is right or not. Okay, I'm waiting for quick answers. Okay, so Sudarshan says A. Come on, children. We need to be a little faster. I'm sure you all can do it. It's very easy. Find out the fraction of the first circle and just simply add it to the second circle. The fraction of the second circle. I'm sure everybody knows addition of fractions pretty well. Okay, some of y'all are saying the answer as A. Some of y'all have given the answer as D. Okay, let's check whether answer A is correct or not. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, I guess there is some error. Okay, the answer is not A. I'm sorry, really sorry for that bit of an error. The answer is D. Okay, D is the correct answer over here. Let me show you all how. Okay, so the first circle where we have in all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 portions, right? So my denominator is going to be 6, right? Okay, out of these 6 portions, 5 are shaded. And over here in the second circle, we have the second circle being divided into 3 portions, out of which only 2 are shaded. Okay, now what we have to find out is 5 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3. So now when we have to do addition, we have to look at the denominators. Since they are unlike, okay, we have unlike denominators, they are unlike fractions. Okay, since they are unlike fractions, we'll have to make the denominators same, right? So here when we have 5 upon 6, here I can make the denominator same by multiplying 3 with 2, right? So 3 2s are 6. And here again, I'm going to multiply by 2 since I multiplied in the denominator as well. So this will give me 5 upon 6 plus 4 upon 6. Right? Now I have my denominators same. So now I can simply add 5 plus 4 upon 6, which again gives me 9 upon 6. Oh, but then I can further divide this, right? I can reduce this. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So what is my final answer? Answer is 3 by 2. Okay, so the correct answer is 3 by 2. All right, whoever's given the answer D are absolutely right. Very good job, very good job. I am really loving the enthusiasm that my children are showing. Okay, all right, all right, all right. I hope everybody understood the second question. It was a bit tricky, but very easy to solve. Okay. All right. So let's proceed to the third one. Over here, in the third question, it says, what is the fraction of the first circle minus the fraction of the second circle? Right? Yes. So similarly to the previous question, here also we will have to find the fraction of the first one, okay, and then subtract the fraction of the second circle. All right, same way. So let's find out the fractions and let's see how do we subtract them. Okay, you have 2 minutes, so quickly do it and type the answers in the chat. I'm waiting. I'm sure my children can be very fast and they have understood the concept. So this time I'm sure they're going to get it correct. Absolutely right. Yes. Let's see who's giving me the answer. Okay, okay. Yes, I'm getting the answer of B. Oh, Shashi. Okay, I got your answer, Shashi. Okay, Modipta is saying B. Okay. Okay, Sudarshan also says B. Okay, let's wait for another minute for the other children also to calculate and let's find out whether the D is the correct answer or B. Okay, I'm getting B also as the answer. Okay, let's see first whether the answer D is right or not. Okay, so whoever's given the answer as 2 by 9, okay, which is D, let's see whether it's correct. Whoops, that shows correct. But what about the answers who have given us B? Oh, once again, I think I'm facing an error over here because whichever answer I'm typing, I'm just getting it all correct. Okay, all right. So let me give you all the actual correct answer. The correct answer is B. Yes, and I can see most of you all have typed B, which is absolutely right. The answer is 1/3. Okay, so let's find out how did we get 1/3. So once again, let's quickly see. The first circle is divided into how many parts? Okay, so that we can find a denominator. Okay, so here 9, right? Out of 9, how many are shaded? 7. Okay, and here also how many parts it is divided into? Okay, 9. Okay, out of 9, only 3 are shaded, right? Now I have to simply subtract these two fractions. So I'm going to write it over here. 7 upon 9 minus 3 upon 9, right? Okay. Yes, I know most of you all might have tried to reduce this fraction, but right now we did not need to reduce. Why? Because for subtraction we need like fractions, right? Since this is already a like fraction, my denominators are same. That is why I will not reduce this fraction. Okay, I will look at it later. So now I can simply, since they are like fractions, I'm going to simply write it as 7 minus 3 upon 9, which further equals to 4 upon 9. Okay. Mhm. Oh, I can see there is. Oops, I made an error over here. I'm so very sorry. This is supposed to be 6. I'm sorry. My apologies. My apologies, children. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be 6. Okay, 6. And here also it is going to be 6. So 6 minus 3. we get it as 3. Okay, and now I can further reduce it, right? So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So my final answer is 1 upon 3. Okay, so my final answer is 1 upon 3, which is B. Okay, and I'm really sorry. My apologies. I made that minor error over there. And thank you so much for understanding. So, really sorry. The final answer is definitely 1 upon 3. So, congratulations, whoever has given me the answer B, which is absolutely right. Okay, that is absolutely right. All right. Okay. So is it clear? The third question. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Are we all ready? Yes, Arohi. Okay. Since I keep forgetting, right? So I'm so sorry for that. Yes, as much as possible, I'll try to remember your names. Okay. All right. Let's move on to the fourth question. So, what fraction does this picture represent? Once again, we have to look at the whole picture. This is the whole circle which is shaded, and this part that is shaded. Okay, so look at it carefully and give me the answer. You'll have simply 1 minute to answer this question. Okay, let me see what answers do I get for this fourth question, which is very, very easy. It looks, you can just look at the picture and simply find out what's the correct answer. It's very easy. Come on, you can do it. Okay, children, I'm waiting for answers. So it's A, B, C, or D. Come on. A, B, C, or D. Oh, yes, here I get it. ROE, the type C. Okay. C, 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 C. All right, so let's check whether C is the right answer or not. Since all of you all, in fact, all of you all have given the answer as C. Oh my God, that's amazing. Okay, so since this whole circle is shaded, okay, we have one whole number, right? And in this, we have 3 out of how many parts is it divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So 3 out of 10 is shaded. So one whole number, 3 upon 10. Now this is a mixed number. So we want to convert it into a fraction, any one of the fractions, right? So when we convert it, what do we get? So 10 multiplied by 1. So it is 10, right? And then plus 3. 3 upon my denominator remains the same, right? So what do I get? 13 upon 10. Yippee! So everybody has given the answer as C, which is absolutely right. Oh my God. This was amazing to see that all of you all have answered this question correctly. Okay, was that pretty easy, right? Yes, of course, right? Because you all know your concepts pretty well. All right, next, let's move on to our fifth question, which is like this. Okay, all right, no worries, no worries. Okay, so which of these fractions is equivalent to the given fraction? Now, once again, this is not that very tricky, very easy. Equivalent fraction you have to simply find out. So I hope everybody knows what are equivalent fractions. Okay? All right. So I'm waiting for the answer for this question, question number 5. And let's see how many of you all get it correct. Last time it was 100% where all the children gave the right answer. And now here in this question also, which is very easy, let's see whether we get it right or not. Okay, so quickly, let's find out the answer. Okay, I can see. Okay, the answer being typed as D, D, D. All of you all are typing D, D. Okay. That's interesting. Oh, Madipta, there is no option as F. D, okay. All right, see, everybody's typing D, 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 D. Okay, let's see whether we have D as the correct answer or not. Okay, so the answer for D is 9 by 12. All right, so is this equivalent to 3 upon 4 or not? So let's take the fraction 9 by 12 and let's see whether we can reduce it to 3 upon 4. Okay, so let's take 3's table. So 3 3's are 9 and 3 4's are 12. Yes, absolutely right. Since on reducing we do get 3 upon 4, that is why your answer is absolutely right. It is 9 upon 12. So congratulations once again. It was 100%. All of you all gave me the answer as D, which was absolutely right. Congratulations. Yeah, let's clap for our own selves for the wonderful job that we have done. Cool. That was absolutely good. Wonderful. Wonderful. Oh my God, my children are really, really thorough with their concepts of fraction. That's really good to see. Okay. So are we ready to move on to the next question? Question number 6. Yes? I want to see some thumbs up. Are we ready for the next question? Okay, all right. Let's proceed. Oh, and this question is absolutely very easy. What is 5 upon 8 multiplied by 8 upon 5? Whoa, whoa, man. I mean, I can really say that this definitely all my children are going to get it correct once again. So this is going to be the third question in a row where all of my children are going to get the correct answer. This is very, very easy. So what is the answer? Come on, start typing. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm already getting the answers as D, 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 D. Okay, Arohi and Modipta and okay, most of the other children are typing D. Okay, we'll see whether the answer D is right or not. We are on to sixth number question, which reads like this. What is 5 upon 8 multiplied by 8 upon 5? Okay, let's solve this. All of you all have given me the answer as D, which reads as 24 upon 5. Okay, all right. Now let's see whether do we actually get 24 upon 5. Okay, so now this is multiplication in between. So I can simply further reduce these fractions. Okay, and let's see, find out what do we get. So I can cancel 5 against 5, right? So here I get 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. And here also 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, right? So finally, what is remaining? Only 1. So my answer C is correct. I am getting only 1 as the answer, right? Okay, no worries, no worries. This was a very simple question. Yes, Sudarshan Kumar has typed it correct. Okay, so that is absolutely the correct answer, which is C, right? Yes. So C was the correct answer. Why? Because we could directly cancel the numbers against each other, children. Okay. All right. No worries. No worries. We do. Yes. it does happen. Sometimes we do get it wrong. So no worries. We can keep that in mind the next time, and sure next time you are not going to make any errors in it. Okay, wonderful. All right. I am just loving the enthusiasm. Yes, see, my children are still typing. Okay, all right, okay, fine. So, time to move on to the next question, number 7, which goes like this. What fraction is represented by the total colored part of the pictures? Okay, so total colored parts of the picture you have to look at and tell me what is the fraction at the end. What is the fraction at the end that we get? Come on. Okay, I'm already getting the answer as C, C, C. Okay. I'm already getting the answers as C. Okay, let's wait for a moment and see if I'm getting any more answers. Okay, all of you all are typing as C. Okay. All right. Yes, children, y'all are using your knowledge thoroughly now. And y'all are absolutely right. The answer is C. See, I told you all, my children are really smart. So here simply the first picture represents the fraction as 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 4 out of, sorry, 4 out of 5. Here it is 1 out of 5, and this is simply 2 out of 5. Now, since all my denominators are same, that means all these fractions are like fractions, right? They are like fractions. So I can simply add the numerators. I can simply add the numerators. So what do I get? 4 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 equals to 4 plus 1 plus 2, the whole upon 5, which further equals to 4 plus 5 plus 2 gives me 7 upon 5. And all my children got the answer right, which is absolutely C. Okay, clap for yourselves, children. Clap. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, excellent work. All right. Moving on to the next question, question number 8, which again reads as find the sum of the colored parts. So find the fraction of each the shape and then add them together. So let's see whether my children get the correct answer this time as well or not. Okay, so y'all can start solving quickly. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, do it patiently. This may require a little time, but yes, I want all of you all to get the correct answer. Okay, I've already got one option as C. Okay, we'll see whether the answer is right or not. Just in a while, let others also try to solve it. Okay, again C, C, okay. Okay, Arohi, yes, C. Sweetie Kumari, C. Anu Kumari, C. Just a moment more, and then we'll see whether the answer C is right or not. Okay. All right. I don't know what is your name, fine, but you did not understand. Okay, let me explain it to you once again. You have to find the sum of the colored parts. So what fraction is the colored portion in each of these shapes and add them together to find the final fraction. Okay, so I don't know what's your name, but Jodi number one, it's this is what you have to find out. Okay. All right, so let's see whether the answer C is right or not, because that's the only answer I've got from all of you. All right, and are we ready to see the answer? Okay, here it goes. Oh my God, yes, absolutely right. Answer C was absolutely right. Amazing, amazing. See, all of you all gave the answer C, which was absolutely a fab job. Okay, but let's find out whoever's not able to find the answer C. Okay, how did we get it? So here is how it goes. Okay, so how many parts is the shape divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 parts, and how many parts are shaded? 7. Okay, here also there would be 9 parts only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are colored. So we are going to write 8 as the numerator, and same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 6 parts are colored, which goes in the numerator, and 9 in the denominator. Now we have to simply add them. Once again, since they are all like fractions, so I don't need to find the LCM of the denominators. I can simply add them. So I will just add 7 plus 8 plus 6 upon 9, okay, which equals to 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 6, that gives me 21 upon 9. Okay, now 21 upon 9, I can further reduce it. 3 sevens are 21, 3 threes are 9. So my final fraction is 7 upon 3. Oh, but we don't have any option of 7 upon 3 over here. Then how is my answer C right? We are going to simply convert this into a mixed fraction. Yes? So 7 divided by 3. So 3 twos are 6. And what is remaining? 1 upon 3. So that's my correct answer. Answer C. Congratulations. Very good, my lovely children. All are really, really smart. Answer is C. Okay, amazing. Good job, children. Good job. That was really amazing. All right. So I hope everybody understood how did we get 2 1/3? 2 1 upon 3. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Cool. That was absolutely wonderful job done by all my children. Okay. Time to move on to my ninth question, which goes like this. Okay. So there are 100 students in a class. 1/4 of them are boys. How many are girls? Yes. 100 students, 1/4 are boys. So how many are the girls? Again, quite simple. All right. So let's find out. Come on, quickly. Giving your 2 minutes. 100 students, out of that, 1/4 are boys and the remaining are the girls. Okay, so you have to find out how many girls are there, not how many boys. Okay, Jianshi, got your name? Come on, now let's find out the answer to this question. Question number 9. Okay, once again, everybody's typing C, 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 C. I hope everybody is calculating all by themselves and giving the answer and not simply copying what the previous child has written. Okay, I can see a lot of C's over here, but some of them are being repeated again and again. Children, come on. Very easy once again. Okay, I got one answer as A. Okay, and the rest of all I've got C. Okay, so let's see which is the correct answer. Excuse me. Okay, so yep, the answer C is correct. Absolutely right. Okay, yes, you were close. Whoever's given the answer as A, but they had actually told us to find how many girls. So let's see how did we get 75 as the correct answer? How did we get C as the correct answer? Okay, so there are 100 students. Okay, out of that, one-fourth are boys. So first, let us find out how many boys are there. Okay, in number. So one-fourth of 100, right? So that simply comes up to 25. So there are how many boys? 25 boys. Okay. Now I have to find out how many girls are there. They have not asked us how many boys are there. They have told us how many girls are there. Okay. So now, since we now know that there are 25 boys, so 100 minus 25 simply equals to 75 girls. Yes. Wasn't that easy? Easy peasy, right? Jianshi, I hope now you understood. Okay, yes, so the answer is 75, which was absolutely right. And this is how we get 75. Okay, all right, amazing job. So most of you all have also got this answer correct as well, which is just amazing to see. Oh my God, my children are doing a fabulous job. Fabulous job. Yes. Sometimes we do make errors, so that's okay. But most of the answers, my children are getting it absolutely right, which is just amazing to see. Right? Okay. All right. So, shall we move on to the next one? Okay, the 10th question, which goes like this again. What is 2 divided by 9? Sorry, 2 upon 9 divide by 4 upon 7. So we are dividing these two fractions. Okay, so I'm giving you all a hint. Recollect the concept of reciprocal. Reciprocal. Okay, in one of my sessions also I had previously done I had reminded you all of this concept. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, all right. Amazing to see all my children enjoy the session. Okay, all right. So now here again, as I'm giving you all the hint, please use the concept of reciprocal over here. Okay, this is the hint from my end. Let's see now who's able to catch it and find the correct answer. Reciprocal. Keeping in mind reciprocal. Reciprocal. Okay, I'm getting the answers as A. Okay, only Arohi has typed A, Shashi has typed A. Okay, Jianshi has also typed A. Come on, children. I'm sure y'all can be much faster. Okay, wonderful to see that most of my children are trying and participating so well. It's really awesome. Okay, I've got one answer as C, A. Okay, fine. Let's see whether answer A is right or not. Okay, so we'll start by I hope you all remember the concept of reciprocal. Since we have two fractions to divide, I cannot simply divide them like that, right? So I will replace this division sign with the multiplication, okay? And since I'm putting multiplication over here, I have to do the reciprocal of the second fraction. So here I'm going to write 7 upon 4, okay? Once again, I'm repeating 2 upon 9 divided by 4 upon 7. Since this is division and I cannot directly divide the fractions, I have to use the concept of reciprocal. So 2 upon 9, okay, instead of division, I am going to put multiplication. Since I am putting multiplication, I also have to make changes in my second fraction. So which I am going to turn it upside down. So 7, I'll bring it in the numerator, 4, I'll have to bring it in the denominator. Okay, then I'll further solve it. Now it's become multiplication, so it's easy to do. Okay, I can simply reduce. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, the rest cannot be reduced further. So what do I get remaining? 7 upon 9 multiplied by 2, I get 18. So what is my correct answer? Answer B. Children, answer B. Y'all just missed the 2 over here. Y'all forgot to multiply 2 with 9. All right, no worries. But it was really to see the attempt that my children made. That is more important. But I hope you all have understood the concept of reciprocal. Modipta, reciprocal means where I am changing the numerators and the denominators. I'm exchanging the numerator and denominator of the fraction. So as you saw here, after putting multiplication, I brought 7 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator instead. Okay, that is called reciprocal. Okay. All right, great, great, amazing. So the correct answer was B, and I hope everybody's understood. Okay, what was a bit tricky, but yes, if you know the concept of reciprocal well, then you can definitely solve it. Okay, all right. So time to move on to the next one, which is um, question number 11. Question number 11. Find the missing denominator. Okay, so here it is like this. The number is 12 upon 72 equals to 1 upon, this is what I have to find out. Okay, so 12 upon 72, 1 upon how much? So quickly tell me the answer. Come on. Now this is very easy peasy. Okay, once again. Easy peasy. Come on, let's give me the answers to question number 11. After which we just have one last question. So quickly, children, find out the answer to this. And then we'll have to move on to the last question. Okay, I've got an answer as D. Okay, C. Okay, it's really good to try to make that attempt to solve. B, C, D. Okay. C, okay. Oh, I got an answer as B as well. Okay. Amazing. All right. Let's see what's the correct answer. So we got answer C, and let's see whether answer C is right. Yes, absolutely. Answer C is the correct answer. So let's see how did we get C. Okay, let's see how did we get C. Now here we had 12 upon 72. So we have to find the equivalent fraction. So when we get 1 in the numerator, so that means this has to be divided by 12 to get 1. So 12 ones are 12. And here 12. What's the 7 to 2? 6 are. So what is remaining in the bottom? I am having 6. I get 6. So 6 is the correct answer, children. Yes, 6 is the correct answer. Answer C is the right answer. Yes. Okay, now everybody understood? Yes, so congratulations to all the children who gave the answer as C. You all were absolutely right. That was amazing. That was amazing. Okay, coming to the last question now. Okay, I'm sure this everybody is going to get it right. Come on. And I want to see every one of you all answering this. What is 1/3 of the fraction represented by the colored part? Easy, very easy, right? So just you have to find out 1/3 of the colored part. 1/3 of the colored part. Come on. 1/3 of the colored part. If it's easy peasy, give me the answers quickly. I'm waiting. I think I've got one answer as C for this question or what? I don't know. I'm not sure. B, okay. The others. I'm still waiting. Come on, you all can do it. Yes, yes. What is the question? The question says, what is 1/3 of the fraction represented by the colored part? So, what fraction is the colored part? You have to find out the 1/3 of that. B. Okay, B, C. I'm getting various answers. All right, let's see what is the correct answer. So I've got the answers as B, D, and C. Okay, so first we'll find out what is the colored part. What is the fraction of the colored part, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 7 parts are colored out of 9. Now what have they said? What is 1/3 of the fraction? 1/3 of this fraction. So when I say 1/3 of means 1/3 multiplied by 7 upon 9, right? So 1/3 of 7 upon 9. Now I can simply take it forward. I can multiply 7 ones are 7 because I cannot reduce it further. So 7 ones are 7 and 3 nines are 27. So my answer is B. Yay! All the children who gave the answer as B. Absolutely correct. And congratulations for the fabulous job. It was B only, children. Yes, it was B only. Yes. So correct answer is B. How? As I just showed you all. Okay. They said 1/3 of the colored portion. So this was the colored portion, right? So 1/3 of this. And when I find out that 7 upon 27 is the correct answer. All right. I hope everybody understood. Okay. Great. Great. All right. So B was the correct answer. And oops, that was the last question for today. And this brings me to the end of the session for today. All right. But no worries. We are going to come back again next Sunday with some more wonderful such quiz like for you all so that you all can practice your concepts and you all can get better at maths. So thank you so much, all of you, for participating so well and showing me so much of enthusiasm. The effort that you all put in. Great job. Keep continuing, keep practicing, and that will definitely get you better and better with your maths. Okay, so All the best. Take care. Up till next Sunday. And time to say goodbye. I hope you all loved the session. Take care. Bye bye. Okay. See you all.